Hi everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my new phone, that is Honor 8X. So you can see this phone is here with me. Yesterday was the first sale and I didn't get in the store, so I ordered online. That's why I'm late. But this phone is really good. You can see the looks so good, so beautiful. They have three colors: blue, black and red. Red is not available. I really want to buy a red one, but I can't wait for a long time, so I bought the blue one. Blue one is really good. I have 8X Max. You have seen the unboxing video, my previous one. If you didn't saw the unboxing video of 8X Max, you can watch it because there is a giveaway of this phone. So if you didn't watch it and participate in the giveaway, maybe you will be the lucky one and you get this phone. So about this one, this have a processor of Kirin 710 Huawei processor, really good. The Antutu benchmark scores are good. I played PUBG in this one and it doesn't lag, doesn't heat it up, and the camera quality is good. I clicked some pictures. Front camera is also good. They have a flash also in this camera, and the screen size is 6.5 inch, really good. So I love this phone. The price is near about $200, 1,399 RMB, and in Indian money it will be 14,500 or 600 nearby according to the exchange rate. So hopefully they launch this phone globally soon because it will be a big hit everywhere and the phone is really good. So let's begin our unboxing and see what's in this phone.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So this is the outer packing because I order online. So here is our phone and there is a bill. So in this we don't get any earphones like me Honor 8X Max. I got earphones because I pre-booked. So here are the both phone. The size is different. So 8X Honor 8X and something in Chinese. And this one is 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. There are three variants: 6GB RAM, 64 and 6GB and 128. So let's open the box. So here is our phone. We will look at later. In this box we know the SIM tray tool ejector, the cover and the manual, and here is our charger. So this charger is 5 volt 2 ampere. It's a normal charger, no fast charger, and micro USB charging port, so no type C. So this is a drawback, only one drawback. So let's open the phone. So here's our phone, blue color. I choose this one. They have three colors: black, blue and red. Red is not available, so I choose this one. It looked really awesome. So on the top there is a noise cancellation. Here volume keys and the power on button, speakers, mic, power, charging port and 3.5mm audio jack, and the SIM tray. So let's show you the SIM tray. So this phone is support a memory card and 2 nano SIM, so that was really amazing, and we can use 256GB memory card in this. So let's on our phone. Honor, powered by Android. So the languages are same like Honor 8X Max. They have so many languages. You can see Filipino, Italiano, Hindi, Nepali, Portuguese, so many. So we can choose English. So let's try fingerprint lock. Now face lock. So it was quick. Face lock of 8 Max is really good. So let's see the phone, and first we can see the settings. So this have Android version 8.1 and the CPU Kirin 710, RAM 4GB. They have 6GB also. So now let's try the Antutu benchmark. Android 8.1, Kirin 710, and Reno Mali 651, RAM 4GB. Display 1080 by 2340, 6.5 inch screen, density 480, camera 20 and 16 megapixel, front one is 16 megapixel. So let's try the Antutu benchmark, and you can see the video quality of this phone is really awesome, so good. Score of Antutu benchmark is 137,254. That is really awesome for a mid-range phone which costs near about $200. So this one Honor really do the best thing. So now let's see the music. How about the speaker of this one? 8X Max speaker is really good. So let's try this one.
I was doing just fine before I met you. I drank too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years, no calls, now you're looking pretty and I hope.
So the sound of speaker is really good. So now let's try PUBG, how it perform, the Kirin 710. So this phone also can't play in HDR like Honor 8X Max. So maybe if you want to play, so you can use GFX tool. So I'm playing the Chinese variant PUBG. Like last time I live in China, so it's easy for me to download PUBG, and you know PUBG is more than 1 GB game, a big game. So I always try to download this version. So you can see the game is going very smoothly till now, doesn't lag, and it's good. So here we landed. I forgot to increase the brightness, so it's not so clear, you can see, but I just want to show you like the gameplay is really smooth, and I will do a gaming review soon so you can see the games clearly. So we are only 2 people left and the circle is over now, and I can't find the last man, so I die here, and we are number 2. So the gameplay is really smooth. I played more than half an hour this match and it doesn't lag, and I didn't feel like the phone is heated up. We will check the temperature also. So the front side is near about 40 point, you can say, so it's 40 degrees, and from behind, let's take off the cover, is 40.4 and 34.2. So it's good, it's not heated up. So let's see the camera now. So this phone have dual rear camera of 20 megapixel and 2 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, and the front one is 16 megapixel. So this have portrait, night mode, aperture, and more. We can see we have slow motion, time lapse, watermark, filter, HDR. So about the video, in this phone also we can't record 4K, but we can record HDR 1080p by 60 fps. That's one really good. And about the front camera, that is 16 megapixel, we only record HD 720p. So that's the drawback in both Honor 8X and 8X Max. So I shoot some clicks today, so let's show you some pictures. I will do the camera review soon, so we can check the complete review soon and see how is it. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon.